Okay, I'm back with another book, and I know, Leo, you really like this one, and Asher, I think you're going to like it too. It's called Stop Snoring, Z. He's really Bernard, but we call him Z. And look what Z did. He wrote on the front, "Stop snoring, Mallory." Now we're all in on the joke, huh? Okay. Bernard loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime, playtime, and best of all, nap time. Who else likes nap time? Z likes nap time. Who doesn't like nap time? Raise your hand if you don't like nap time. But there was one little problem. Bernard snored loudly. One afternoon at nap time, Grumpy Giles had had enough. "Snore somewhere else, Bernard," he said. Bernard tried sleeping in the lake, but that didn't work. Snore! He was very loudly snoring there. And what did the alligator say? "Stop snoring, Z." He tried sleeping in a fountain, but that didn't work either. That's what that says. Snore. "Stop snoring, Z." He even tried sleeping in a puddle, but that really didn't work. "Stop snoring, Z." Who's saying that? Is that the elephant? The elephant. Yeah, you see the elephant? And look, he's giving the little otter a bath. Bernard was sad and lonely. He found a tucked away place, curled up by himself, and drifted off to sleep. The other otters missed Bernard. They searched for him all through the night and said, "Bernard, Bernard, Bernard." They missed him, right? The next morning, Bernard woke up and saw hundreds of bats on the ceiling. "Excuse me," he said. "How did you sleep with all my snoring?" "We didn't," said the bat. "We were out all night and now we're trying to sleep. So please don't snore here." Bernard felt terrible. There wasn't any place he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged towards the zoo gate, but then he heard something. "It was the other otters. We couldn't sleep without you," said Grumpy Giles. "And I'm sorry," I yelled. "Please come back." And from that day on, everybody napped happily. Well, almost everyone. Good night, Bernard. Who wasn't napping? Grumpy Giles. It was the grump. The grumpster. The end. All right, Kikis, good night.